In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a board in Monday.com. Whether you're managing multiple projects or simply want to replicate an existing structure, duplicating a board can be a handy feature to streamline your workflow. Let's dive into the steps to achieve this. First things first, log into your Monday.com account. Once you've successfully logged in, navigate to the board you'd like to duplicate. It's important to ensure that you're in the right board because you'll be creating a copy of all its contents depending on the options you choose. Next, let's access the board options. In the upper right corner of your board, you'll notice a three-dot menu, often referred to as the ellipsis or more options menu. Click on these three dots to reveal a drop-down menu. Among the various options, you'll find duplicate board. Go ahead and select this option to initiate the duplication process. Now, at this point, Monday.com offers you some choices regarding what exactly you'd like to duplicate. This flexibility can be incredibly useful depending on your specific needs. You can choose structure only, which copies the columns, groups, and views but leaves behind any items or tasks. This is perfect if you want to maintain the framework without the clutter. Alternatively, you can opt for structure plus items if you wish to duplicate everything including tasks and entries. Additionally, there's an optional checkbox for include updates in activity log, which allows you to carry over past updates if those are relevant to your new board. Select the option that best suits your requirements. Once you've made your selection, it's time to give your duplicated board a new identity. Ideally, choose a descriptive name that corresponds to its intended use, like marketing campaign copy, to avoid confusion later on. You'll also need to pick a workspace or folder location for your new board to reside in. This organization helps keep your workspace structured and accessible. After naming and selecting the location, click Duplicate Board to finalize the process. Your newly duplicated board will now appear in the selected workspace or folder, ready for you to tailor and use as needed. Finally, with your new board in hand, you may want to customize it to suit the needs of your next project. Update items, adjust deadlines, or assign team members accordingly. You'll also likely need to revisit automations, integrations, and views to ensure they're correctly configured for the new project scenario. And there you have it. You've duplicated a board in Monday.com, ready to help you out with your next project or task. Remember, duplicating boards not only saves time, but also ensures consistency across your projects. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.